Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the bulbs on the Astra J on the boot and the glove box. I'm going to use the same LEDs that I used for the courtesy lights from the previous video, so make sure you check the other video as well. Okay, let's get started. To change the light in the boot, first you get the lamp out, you push it from here, get the bulb out, use a pen because it's kind of tricky to get it out. Put a new bulb. If it's LED and it's not working, just turn it on the other side. Back in. To change the light in the glove box, first we get the lamp out. We use a flathead screwdriver. We push it from here. Get the lamp out. With a pen, you push the bulb from here, or at least you try. Get a new bulb. I'm gonna use LEDs. If you have LEDs and they are not working, just try and turn them the other side so they have minus and plus. Put it back and you're done. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and see you on the next one.